Alright, here's the car tire pump. So it has a digital display. On the bottom it has target 35 PSI. And right now it's a large number. That's where it's at, 29.5. And so I want to start it up. So the car is on. It's on the on position. This also has a hazard light, very bright. So that when you plug it in, when there's power, then that light turns on. This display turns on, but not the motor. So you're all set, ready to go. So you can set the target up and down. I'll go 31. Go fast. Set. So the target now is 31. It's at 29.5. Turn on. And so now you can see that it won't go any more than 31. And so it also says that you can have a plus minus 0.5. So that's typical. That's gonna have that that little bit of give. Yep, there it goes. It turns off by itself once it reaches the target. Okay, that's the car tire pump.